Hey guys, welcome into the Blue Collar Simulator. Today, I'm going to touch on a subject that, Joe touched on it the other day and I was already working on the video, so I'm going to show you my look at it. I do it a little different and I print out these little stands on the 3D printer and I'm going to put you the file in the link down there. So just go there and get it if you want to print one out or have somebody print one out. It takes about 35 cents worth of plastic. It's got the level on it and it's got a rod that goes here and that little holder for the rod, but it didn't hold really well, so I glued it on. So if you see this white on here underneath, that's where I glued it with the glue. But here's why I like this. Okay, you put your machine on, it's got little feet right here that hold it, so it has to sit in the right place. It can't get out of alignment. This line lines up with that, which is what you want it to do, right? And what's good about this is when you go out to play at the golf course, you can't see the laser line on the driving range. But this, I know exactly where my target line is, and that's the part of this you can control. Well, you can control how you hit the ball too. But the alignment, is what you can control that makes the biggest difference. Check the video out and just see how important it is to get this thing straight and lined up.
I'm going to show you back here. You see my Garmin, you see that red line, you see that alignment stick base that's keyed to the feet, which makes that alignment stick perfectly straight. So let me take you in a close look here. You ready? Okay. Got a little level in the center there. And then I put mine up a little bit on this base and this to get it about 2 inches above this mat. And the reason I do that is because it picks up everything. Chips. I can chip it and it'll touch the bottom of the screen. It'll pick it up. And it goes this way, and where it points is where that machine, little red line, is aimed. And so if you get that right, it'll work. But if you get it off this way or that way a little bit, 3 degrees open, guys, gets you hitting, 3 degrees out to in? That ain't going to work because the machine's going to pull that as a little slice if it picks it up that way, and it should. If you got room for it to do it, it will. But yeah, this is my little setup here, the way I got it set up, and I've got it, you see the power cord coming out of the back and going in the wall. It stays hooked up all the time on power. And all I do is touch that button when I'm ready to go play golf. It's where this thing is lined up and how it comes off of here. If you got it aimed up there and you hitting over there, well, it's really going to be screwed up. Base to get you a straight line coming off the front of it. And then I put a laser right beside it. It's not touching it. It's just laying beside it so I can see that line. You see right here? It's not touching. It's just laying right under it. And then that gives me what? A nice straight line on the top of the deck up here, right? You got it? And then when we go to the wall, we get the nice straight line at the wall. Something to play to, okay? So, yeah. The most important thing to get good numbers is for that thing to be at the distance that you got it set at. And I've got mine at 6 feet right now. I could go all the way to 8, but this desk right here kind of interferes a little bit, so I keep it at 6. The radar's got plenty of room to work going that way. The touch screen does not seem to bother it with the little board there and everything, and I just kind of move it back. And I control all my gameplay right here. So right now, I want to get this out of the way so I don't have to look at it. So it'll go there, and I want to get that out of the way for now. And just say I want to go to a local match. Okay, guys. This right here is the secret to getting great numbers with your Garmin, okay? I mean, I'm just going to tell you. This thing is for $599 or $463 is what I bought mine for. It was the best investment I've ever made. I could have bought a set of irons. I could have bought a driver. But guess what? I'd have still hit it just as bad as I always did. So right here, this is the secret to getting straight right here, okay? Get it straight by doing that right there, okay? So, yeah. Right through there. Get you a line to work to. And you don't have to play with a line. You can turn it off. That's just to get you started and let you see what you got.
Okay, guys, that'll give you an idea how to line up the old Garmin and get it perfect straight. And this is the little driving range they got in Central Park lined up, and it's got a whole bunch of skills things. So come back in the next video. I'm going to fire that up and go through all the games and just show you what all of them are. It's got tic-tac-toe and darts and all kind of stuff. If you got any questions about how something hooks up or you want to do something or need some help with figuring this out, let me know. I'm a Garmin guy. I've been doing Garmin for a year and a half. Let me tell you exactly the experience I've had with the Garmin, okay? I shot a 94. I bought a Garmin. I hadn't been to the golf course in a year and a half. I played only on the Garmin here. I went to the golf course and shot 78. Same golf course, same tees. That's the only difference between my game and a year and a half. I mean, I know I'm not younger, and I know I'm not probably not a lot stronger, but I'm a lot more active. I know exactly how far my clubs are going. So guys, make of it what you want. You can spend a whole lot of money on a launch mount. or you can just be $5.99 happy with this till somebody comes along and ground breaks again. And that's what we all been waiting on, you know. So got to know it too, guys. The way I look at it, so Garmin kind of like crap. Just keep wanting that better one, but right now I'm holding off because I'm just fine with what I got. Hey, hope this all helps you. Hope it's good information. If it does, hit the bell and ring the thing and subscribe and you know all that stuff they tell you to do. I'm not that good at all. I'm just a fixie guy. I like to play golf. So y'all be good, take care of yourselves, and well, we'll be leaving the blue collar simulator. And see you in the next